Hey YouTube, how are you? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I am here with actually a Fry's haul, which I believe is Kroger on the other side of the United States. I don't know. But anyways, I have to do the cheeses first because my husband thinks he's going to starve to death. And so I'm going to do these real quick and hand them off to him so he can make his turkey and cheese sandwich. So anyways, we got the Tillamook cheddar, the medium cheddar, and the Tillamook extra sharp cheddar. They were 2 for $5. If you guys have ever had their ice cream, it is so creamy. It's amazing. So this comes with 7 1-ounce slices, and this one has 8 1-ounce slices. So anyways, they were 2 for $5, and it's just my husband and I for this week, so there's no reason to really do anything big for dinner. So tonight I'm having a ham and cheese grilled sandwich, and he's having a turkey and cheese grilled sandwich. So anyways, here's those two. You can have those now.
Thank you.
And then, so I like ham and he likes turkey. I'm not a big fan of turkey. I don't like turkey on Thanksgiving, nothing. So we got this Deli Fresh Oscar Mayer, and it has both. It's like the best of both worlds in one thing. And so the oven roasted turkey breast and the smoked uncured ham. Excuse me, I just realized that my dogs are trying to eat my groceries. Hold on a second. Stop. So anyways, this is good until August 27th of 2020. Stop. And it's not gonna be here that long. So anyways, it has 9 ounces. I'm sorry, I'm trying to keep my dogs out of this bag. Can you please? So anyways, this one is Oscar Mayer, and yeah, so it's 9 ounces. So he's waiting for this also, so I'll give that to him. So he is very bougie, and I will eat on any kind of bread, any kind of hot dogs, anything. He had to have it on the artisanal bread, where I can literally eat it on the fries, 89-cent bread. But he doesn't like that kind of stuff. So we got the Sara Lee Artisanal Bakery Bread Brioche. This is really good for French toast also. So we may be doing French toast sometime this week for dinner. I love breakfast for dinner, guys. Like, I love it. And again, it's just me and him, so why make a big meal and then have everything go to waste? So this is 1 pound and 4 ounces. This was like $4, I think. All of this total was like $45. But yeah, it's because we had to get the expensive stuff. This is what I was the most excited about, and this is why I had to do this haul. I have never seen these. The Klondike Boston Cream Donuts. I've never, ever seen that. I'm so excited. I'm not really a big fan of Klondike bars, and I had to choose between this, and they had Cherry Garcia ice cream bars on clearance, so so I kind of had to choose, but since I've never had these, because Cherry Garcia is my ultimate favorite ice cream. But I love Boston Cream Donuts, so I just wanted to try those. These are for him. They are the Snickers ice cream bars. There is 12 in here. That will probably last him about 6 days. So it has caramel peanuts, peanut butter ice cream. And so they're each 2 fluid ounce bars. They're pretty good, but I'm not a fan of them. So again, on with the simple dinners, I love cheese ravioli. So they were on sale. So we got cheese tortellini and the 4 cheese ravioli. He likes this. You're pulling on my cord. I'm gonna knock my camera over, doggies. Sorry, guys. Okay. I do not want to have to start this haul over because he's already opened the cheese and the bread. So I'm sorry that my camera was moving. My dogs were pulling on the cord. Anyways, so cheese tortellini. He likes this with just Alfredo sauce, like nothing else. I'm a big fan of like chicken or something, but anyways, that's cheese tortellini and the 4 cheese ravioli. I actually like to add more cheese to this and either like a spaghetti sauce, a marinara sauce or something, but with some meat in it. Yeah. Anyways, back to him being bougie. I can live with some Bar S. He's very upset that I said that, but I can live with some Bar S hot dogs. He always has to get ballpark, bun size beef. It has to be all beef, no matter what, all beef. Way too expensive. Those Bar S are like 89 cents. I'm good with that too. That would have cut like $5 off our grocery bill between the bread and this. So anyways, this is just the 100% beef, no nitrates. Yeah, so we're gonna have those this week. I asked him to run and get sour cream because we forgot sour cream, and he came back with this, cinnamon rolls. So he's off all week, and he thinks that he's going to eat this whole roll by himself for breakfast, and it's not gonna happen. We're gonna do a breakfast for dinner, like I said. So there's 8 in here, and they were on sale at Fry's also. Just the Daisy sour cream. We eat sour cream with almost every meal. And I actually will just get some sour cream, which I'm probably gonna do now that I thought about it, and get some salsa and mix it together and then just eat it with some tortilla chips. It's amazing, guys. I haven't got my cheese, I'll do it right now. He's about to make my dinner. Anyways, again, I'm fine with some non-name brand. This is Kroger, which is the Fry's brand. 4 cheese blend. I'm fine with this. I don't need to have all that other stuff. So this one, it has 16 and it was $1.69, less than 1 package of his 6 slices. Thank you. And I'm gonna need a couple slices of cheese on there. The General Mills cereal was buy one, get one free. And again, with kids out of school and everything else, cereal is expensive. So this was the large size. So it was about $2 and something cents each, but wherever you save, you save. They did not have a whole lot of the brands left. So we got the Honey Nut Cheerios Medley Crunch. I love Honey Nut Cheerios. It's one of my favorite cereals. I've never had it with the Medley Crunch though. So I guess it has whole grain oats. It looks like there's some granola in there. And this is 1 pound and 0.7 ounces. Oh, it's, yeah, 16.7 ounces, 25% more. It's the large size. So it was buy one, get one free. This is the one that my husband got, is the Frosted Cheerios. It is also, oh, this one is 13.5 ounces, so mine has more. So anyways, that's what we got there. And then I told you guys I do eat fruits and veggies sometimes. We did only get one thing this time, was just the bananas, just because we were kind of in a hurry to get in there and get out because he thought he was dying and hungry. So anyways, our total is like $49.59, which is a lot. But if you were to take off all the expensive things and put them in with the cheap things, which I'm fine with, we would have been way lower. But that $49.59 is our grocery bill for the week because we already have stuff at home. And with it just being him and I, we will eat kind of like not stuff we would eat if the kids were here. So it's going to be a lot cheaper. So anyways, that is my Fry's haul. And I just wanted to show it to you guys. Mainly because of these, because I cannot wait to give you guys an update on these Boston creams. I bet they're going to be good. And I told you guys I have dessert every single night after dinner. So I cannot wait to eat these. All right, guys, I hope you have a great week. I don't know when this is going to come up, but today is Sunday and we will not need to go to the grocery store or anywhere else for the rest of the week. So I'm excited. I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.